Hey guys, today I just thought of showing you my toddler's learning binder that I have created for him. So, this is basically a bunch of activities and creative ways to help them learn. Some stuffs I did on my own and others I downloaded free on internet. So, I will link free printable I made on my own and also link to other websites for free printable in the description box below. So this is my toddler's binder and it says his name on it. The first activity is making them learn emotions by showing them different phases of emotions. The foremost thing of e-learning is that making them to understand emotions so it will be easy for them to show their emotions in a right way. So I will be asking him, how are you feeling today? And he will be saying however he feels, and he also shows which phase is which emotion, like happy, angry, worried, excited, tired and sad, like that. The second activity is learning the days of the week. We do it by singing days of the week song, and I ask him like yesterday is Monday and what day is today. This is like a brain quest and it helps them in cognitive thinking. The third activity is learning months of the year. We do the same way by singing months of the year song. My son knows from January to June as of now. To say months of the year is bit challenging for 3-year-old, but these kind of activities is for building their memory. The fourth activity is learning weather. This is a kind of science exercise. I keep my son near to window every day and talk to him about how is the weather today. He knows the weather by pictures and compare it with reality and gives me a reply. Most of the year we face sunny day, but one day for surprise when it was raining, he said it was a rainy day. So this activity also makes them to understand the reality of nature. So the next activity is learning alphabets, and I have uppercase alphabet here. We'll just start by singing alphabet song, ABC song, and I will continue with various alphabet activities and will help him to recognize each letter with these kind of activities. And the next activity is learning the mother tongue alphabet, and these are the first set of alphabets, and we have a song for this also. And the next activity is learning numbers. He just learned from 0 to 20, and we just sing rhymes like 1 2 3 4 5. Once I got a fish alive, like number like rhymes, and he recognizes each numbers. Then we have the activity of color, and we have a color song for it, and I will give him crayon and tell him to match the colors, and he will match each color with each crayon. The next activity is finding shapes, and he will recognize each shape, and I will ask him, is there anything in this room with this shape, and he'll go and find it and bring it to me. This is one kind of activity, recognizing the shapes. The next activity is making them to learn their names and helping them to spell their names. So once they start to recognize alphabets, they will recognize their alphabets in the name. Next, all the other activities comes under memory building. The first one is learning parts of the plant, a kind of science activity. It will be very interesting for them if they are learning in reality, seeing the plant and trees. So it will be a kind of senses activity too if they are learning in reality. Next is learning all kinds of flowers, a simple memory activity. And learning about fishes kind, this is also one memory activity, telling their names. Another most important activity is learning about our community helpers, and the children will learn according to the dress attire initially, and we can teach them what they do and how they help us, and by moving on they will learn what is the work of each community helpers. The next activity is preferred by my son, and he's fond of cars. So this is also a memory kind of activity. He just tells the name of the car with the symbol of the car. So he finds it very challenging to learn new cars every day. The next activity is a math activity, which is counting. I have created a DIY card of numbers, and he will count each pictures and he will keep the right number in the place. This is one kind of math activity. The next activity is learning parts of your body, a science activity, and for this too I have created a card of each parts of the body. So the last activity is lacing activity, and this is a DIY card I made by punching it, and this is a kind of fine motor activity like hand and eye coordination. It helps the child to lace in each hole, and it helps them in future for their shoelacing, and also now it helps them in their hand and eye coordination skills. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video useful and informative, please like my video and share it with toddler parents. If you have any queries on early years learning and development related topics, email me. I have provided my email ID in description box below. Soon I will come up with another helpful video. Until bye.